Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix could not communicate with the server error in your Apple ID in 2026. Now, this particular error usually is relating to network. So in order to fix it, you need to make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can also try switching between the Wi-Fi and the mobile data to test it. Also restart your router if it is needed. Sometimes the incorrect date and time can also block the Apple servers. So in order to fix it, simply go to the settings. In the settings, go to general. In general, you need to look for the option of date and time. Now inside date and time, you need to look for the option of set automatically. So you need to turn on the set automatically toggle. This ensures proper server communication. Now, if you are using any kind of VPNs, it may block Apple ID servers. So you need to simply turn off the VPN and then you can try signing in again. Also avoid using the restricted or public networks. Now, if you are partially signed in, you can go to the settings, then you can go to Apple ID. After that, you can look for the option of sign out. So after signing out, simply restart your device and then sign in again. This particular step also refreshes your account connection. So you can try these easy fixes and see if the issue is resolved. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.